Imagine working for months, posting videos, trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, grinding for watch time, finally apply for monetization. And then suddenly you see this message. Your channel is not currently able to earn. That moment feels painful. You start asking yourself, did I do something wrong? Is my channel dead? Will I ever get monetized? And here's the scary part. Many creators panic, delete random videos, or make the wrong decision. And that actually makes things worse. Guys, but today I'm going to show you exactly what to do when YouTube rejects your monetization. Not fake hacks, but practical steps that can help you fix your channel and get approved faster. And make sure you stay to the end. Because one mistake most beginners make after rejection can delay monetization for months. And many people don't even know they're doing it. Step 1. Don't panic. This is not the end. First, take a deep breath. This message does not mean your channel is banned. It simply means YouTube review your content and found something that goes against monetization policy. That means you still have a chance. Many successful creators today were rejected before getting approved. Even big creators sometimes fail monetization review. So don't think your channel is finished. This is simply YouTube telling you, fix this problem first. And honestly, this is actually a second chance because some people never even get to monetization requirements. You already made it this far. Now you just need to clean things up. Step 2. Understand why you are rejected. Guys, the truth remains that this is where many creators make a huge mistakes. They don't try to understand why YouTube rejected them. They just start deleting random videos. Bad idea. You need to understand the real reason. Usually, YouTube rejects monetization because of things like reused content. This means using videos that are not truly original. Examples: downloading clips from TikTok, using movie clips, posting football highlights, reposting viral videos, copy-paste compilations, AI videos with zero editing or voice. YouTube wants original creators, not copy and paste channels. Repetitive content. This happens when your video looks too similar. For example, same slideshow videos repeatedly, same voice repeated over different clips, very low effort to upload, auto-generated content. YouTube wants value, not max uploaded content, misleading content, things like fake thumbnails, fake titles, clickbait that lies, misleading claims. If your title says one thing, but your video shows another, that can affect monetization. Please take note. Let me ask you something. Have you ever uploaded a video just because you saw another creator doing it? And maybe you copied the same style? That could be one hidden reason. Stay with me. Because the next step is where most people fail. Guys, step 3. Audit your channel like a detective. Now, you need to inspect your own channel. Pretend you are YouTube reviewing your own content. Go to your videos one by one. Ask yourself, is this video truly mine? Look carefully. Check for copyright clips, reuse footage without your voice, videos with too much borrowed content, completion videos, reaction videos with little commentary. Be brutally honest. This part matters because one bad video can affect your whole monetization review. Sometimes creators have 100 good videos, but 5 problematic videos ruin everything. Important truth, if you didn't create it or transform heavily, YouTube may reject it. Transformation means your face added, commentary added, editing added, explanation added, educational value added. YouTube rewards creators, not collectors. Step 4. Do not delete videos immediately. This is very important. Many people panic and start deleting everything. Big mistake. Before deleting videos, ask yourself, can I improve this video instead? Sometimes editing videos details is enough. You can change titles, improve descriptions, add context, add commentary. YouTube reviewers look at your overall channel quality. Deleting everything may hurt your watch time. So don't rush. Take smart actions. Step 5. Private or remove dangerous videos. This is what I recommend. Go through your upload. Find videos that are risky. Examples: TikTok repost, compilation videos, content without your personality, low effort upload. Now decide. Option 1, private them. Option 2, delete them if necessary. Privating videos is often safer first because you can still review them later. Your goal is simple. Make your channel look original. Step 6, start posting better content immediately. This is the part many creators ignore. After rejection, you should not stop uploading. Actually, this is when you should upload your best content. YouTube wants proof that your channel changed. Post videos that include your voice, your opinion, your editing style, your teaching, your personality. The more original you become, the higher your approval chances. YouTube loves creators that teach, explain, react properly, or add value. Even if you use clips, you must transform them heavily. Secret most people mix. Here is something many creators never realize. YouTube doesn't only review one video, they review your whole channel. That means about page, thumbnails, titles, upload history, video quality, consistency. Your channel should feel like a real creator brand, not random uploads. Final step, reapply the smart way. After cleaning your channel, wait a little, upload better videos, improve your quality, then reapply, do not rush. Because if you reapply too quickly without fixing the problem, you may get into problem again, you may get rejected again, and repeated rejection make your approval harder. Take your time, fix it properly, and come back again. If YouTube rejected your monetization, do not think your journey is over. This is not failure. This is feedback. YouTube is simply telling you, improve your content first. And honestly, some creators become stronger after rejection because they finally learn how YouTube works. So don't quit, fix the mistakes, build original content and come back stronger because your monetization approval could be closer than you think. And before you leave, tell me honestly in the comments, why do you think YouTube rejected your monetization? I want to read your story. And if this video helped you, subscribe because I post practical YouTube growth strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.